In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change currency on AutoDS. Getting your currency right is essential for accurate pricing, fees, and reports, and in AutoDS it's a quick process with a small twist if the option isn't available directly. Start by opening your AutoDS account and heading straight to Settings. On this page, look for the three dots menu, often labeled as More Options. Click that, then choose Store Settings. In many accounts, you'll see a currency field you can change right here. If you do, select the currency you want, review any notes that appear about how prices are displayed, and confirm. That's all you need in this scenario. If you don't see a way to change it in AutoDS or the field is locked, you'll handle it from your connected Shopify store instead. Open your Shopify admin for the store linked to AutoDS. Click Settings, then go to the General section. Here, locate the currency display area. This is where you can see how prices are shown to your customers. Next to currency, click the three dots, then choose Change Store Currency. From the list, select your preferred currency. Take a moment to read any notice Shopify shows, because changing the store currency can affect how past reports appear and how rounding works on product prices. When you're ready, confirm the change. Once your store currency is updated in Shopify, AutoDS will use that currency for your store connection. Return to AutoDS and revisit Settings, then Store Settings, to verify the currency now matches what you set in Shopify. If it doesn't update immediately, give it a moment and refresh your page. After the update, check a product or two to make sure prices look correct in the new currency. To recap, you begin in AutoDS under Settings, open the three dots menu and go into Store Settings. If the currency can be changed there, select it and confirm. If not, switch over to your Shopify settings, open General, look for Currency Display, click the three dots, choose Change Store Currency, and pick your preferred currency. Then return to AutoDS to confirm it's reflected correctly. That's it. Keeping your currency aligned between Shopify and AutoDS helps prevent pricing mismatches and ensures consistent reports. Follow these steps and you'll have your store showing the right currency in just a couple of minutes. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you set up your currency the right way on AutoDS.